Have you ever noticed how money disappears faster than it's earned? Not stolen, not invested, just gone. Here's a shocking truth. Globally, the average working adult leaks over $7,000 a year without remembering where it went. Not because they're irresponsible, but because money quietly obeys psychology, not logic. Today, I'm not giving you skip coffee advice. I'm showing you 5 invisible shifts that turn saving from punishment into power. And one of them will completely change how you see spending, so stay till the end. If you're ready to rewrite your financial story, hit that subscribe button. We're committed to guiding you towards a future of financial stability and success. The first shift begins with a strange paradox. The more freedom people feel while spending, the poorer they become. Across cultures, humans confuse flexibility with control. Swipe now, think later. The mistake most people make is believing awareness alone will fix this, tracking every dollar, drowning in apps, quitting in 2 weeks. What actually works is narrowing choice before temptation shows up. When people create friction, separate accounts, delayed access, invisible money, saving rates jump by over 60%. The transformation isn't discipline, it's relief. And this opens the door to the next layer most never question. Because even when people save, they sabotage themselves with lifestyle inflation. Earn $1,000 more, spend $900 more. It's called the arrival fallacy, the belief that comfort equals happiness. The mistake? Upgrading life too early. Globally, households that delay upgrades by just 2 years accumulate nearly $25,000 more in net worth over a decade. The smarter move is to lock your old lifestyle while your income grows. The emotional payoff is subtle but powerful. You feel richer without showing it. And once you feel that quiet confidence, your spending identity begins to shift, which leads to the most dangerous trap of all. Impulse spending isn't about weakness. It's about timing. Most purchases happen when emotions peak: stress, boredom, celebration. The mistake is fighting the urge in the moment. The smarter move is postponement. A simple 24-hour delay eliminates nearly 80% of non-essential buys worldwide, not because people become rational, but because desire decays. And here's the unexpected result. Delayed spending actually increases satisfaction with what you do buy. But even this won't work if your environment keeps whispering buy, which brings us to a hidden leak almost no one audits. Subscriptions. Small, silent, and culturally normalized. The average person pays for 5-7 services they rarely use, bleeding over $600 a year. The mistake isn't subscribing, it's forgetting. The fix is radical awareness, 1 monthly subscription audit. When people cancel just 3 unused services and redirect that money into long-term assets, they unknowingly create a habit loop: cut, redirect, grow. And once money starts growing instead of disappearing, something psychological clicks. Finally, the most powerful shift: stop trying to look wealthy. In many cultures, spending is social proof. But research shows truly high net worth individuals spend less on visible status and more on invisible security. The mistake most make is buying approval. The smarter move is buying options: time, peace, choice. Every $100 not spent today can become $500 or more over time. The transformation isn't just financial, it's identity-based. You stop asking, "Can I afford this?" and start asking, "Does this serve my future self?" Saving money isn't about saying no to life. It's about saying yes to control, confidence, and calm. These 5 shifts don't shrink your world, they expand it. Apply them and you won't just see a bigger bank balance. If this video resonated with you, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to stay updated, and share is a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it. See you in the next one.